Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
The man wanted to save a teddy bear surrounded by hungry wolves. The kid roared and could not move. Alexei and his wife Svetlana lived in the city along with her two little kids, Maxim and Sergey. And they had a private company he had been working in for several years, but fate wanted that company to go bankrupt and accumulate a lot of debt on them and sell their apartment. Svetlana was sick and needs a surgery, so the couple would declare their complete bankruptcy. They only have a car and some jewelry that Svetlana inherited from her mother. The couple looked for a solution to their current situation. At the end, Alexei suggested that they go to the village because there is a house and a small farm that his father had left. His wife accepted without hesitation. As she sold all her jewelry and Alexei sold his car, and they went to the farm. It was not easy, as the couple were forced to restore the old house where Alexei's parent lived in before his death. And they expanded the stable, and after that they brought a number of livestock and farming equipment and started their life. The start was very difficult, especially on Svetlana, who used to live in the city, but quickly adapted to the situation and she loved their life, and she works hard all day with her husband and young children help them. After a year, Alexei goes to the river next to the village, which is located in the woods, to fish and collect mushrooms. The life of the couple get better and now they have many livestock, cultivate land and sell the crop in the market. While the man was getting some mushroom woods, he heard barking animals, and when he took a look, he found that there were wolves surrounding a small bear and trying to free it. The little bear was defending itself, but those ferocious and hungry wolves were very hungry. Fortunately, Alexei was carrying a weapon with him, as he shot twice in the air when the wolves ran away, while the little bear, who was limping, walked for a few meters and then fell near a tree trunk and was very sick. When Alexei approached him, he noticed that his injury was severe. The man decided to take the bear to his home for treatment, as he was in urgent need of care, especially as he was unable to walk. When the man reached home, he placed the basket filled with mushrooms on the floor and took the bear to show him to his wife. Svetlana was very frightened when she saw the bear and was amazed that she had never seen a bear up close, while the two boys were excited and hastened to touch the little bear and caressed him. Although some of the villagers offered Maxim to sell them that bear at a price that could even buy him a car, he refused the offer and decided to treat it and return it to the woods when he could take care of himself. The little bear was cured of his injury, and the bear used to live with his new family, and he was getting all the care from them. And what surprised them, that this bear was in love with the cow in their farm, where the man and his wife observed that the cow became as his mother, while the little animal visits her daily and sits next her. A scene that has shocked all family members. Maxim decided to sell the cow because he needed money. The customer has chosen the cow that the bear loves, and although Maxim tried to cancel the agreement, the man insisted on this or take all his money with interest. Maxim had spent all the amount and did not have enough to get the cow, but Svetlana offered a golden wristwatch to the buyer from the cow. Then she managed to regain the cow and was able to keep the two friends together again, which made everyone happy. Alexei raised a considerable amount of money and paid off the debts, then bought a car and decided to continue living on that farm with his family and those cheerful animals that changed his life.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.